Hello, in front of me I've got Tonsil T45. In this video I'll show you gestures of your earbuds. Firstly, take a look at your earbuds and now press shortly left or right multifunctional button to answer the calls. To lock the calls, shortly press left or right multifunctional button, and then to decline the call, press and hold left or right multifunctional button for 2 seconds. To switch between callers, during the call, press and hold shortly multifunctional button. Now, to end the call, shortly press multifunctional button on left or right earbud once. To activate voice assistant, press twice multifunctional button on either earbud. To play or pause music, press shortly once left or right multifunctional button. To enable mono mode, take one of the earbud from the charging case, and that's basically it. It will automatically connect to your smartphone. And that's it for gestures of your earbuds. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.